To change control layout on Destiny Rings, what you need to do is go to the settings and then navigate yourself on the controls option and then click on combat layout and then choose a layout and then click on customize. Afterwards, you can now go ahead and customize your layout or go to the firing mode and click on tap to aim and fire. And then afterwards, you will be redirected on another settings where you can now go ahead and edit the scale and opacity of the layout that you have chosen to customize. Afterwards, click on the save button that you can see on the right, which is the yellow button. After clicking the save button, what you need to do is log out to your Destiny Ring game. After logging out, you have to log in once again so that you can now see or use your save layout settings on your Destiny Ring game. And that is how you change the layout setting on Destiny Ring.